I'm going to review a Agility Web Explorer component bundled into Macola 10. So you can see my screen here. I have a WiSys component. I double click it. I have it set to open in a separate tab. There's a lot of information in many of these grids, and having a small window isn't that helpful. So you can see that you can have them open inside Macola 10 or just pop open a new tab. Let me show you how this works. So here's my Macola 10 environment. I click on this component. It opens in a separate window. You can see here there's a lot of data. I've got an order here. Some of these are hot, so I can click on them and open up additional information. This is a standard Synergy Macola workflow application that you can work on. I'll close it and go back here. You can filter and sort just like you could on any other grid. And as soon as you pause, it knows to go ahead and resort. Makes it kind of easy. More sorting. And you're just filtering in the grid. All right, so how did I get here? So I want to add another component here. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I open this. This is just a regular Agility on the desktop. This is what the user interface would look like if you don't have it pushed into Macola 10. You've got folders over here. I want the order processing group. And I want the order processing order status right here. And I want to pull up just booked orders. So I like this particular grid. Again, I'll come back and reopen it again. And there's a short hyperlink here at the top. All you do is copy that. Now, if I come back over here, I can use this Macola interface, and you'll notice that you can add WiSys widgets and widgets and links. This will bundle them and put them right into the grid itself. I particularly think it's just as easy to use these links at the top. Click a link, opens a new one. I'll type in order status. And then I paste the URL in here. And you can choose whether you want it to be in a new window or in the same window. And again, I mentioned I like the extra tab, and click Save. So I've just added this button right here. I'll click it. I want to look at just booked orders. Click Go. And now I'm looking at just my booked orders. It's just that easy to add them to Macola 10.